So thank you for choosing RentalQuotes.com for your customer referral services. My name is Ronaldo Zephyr, and I'll be walking you through the registration form. So it's a pretty straightforward form. We would only ask for your basic information and licensing information. I'll use myself as an example here, Ronaldo Zephyr. I'll put down my phone number as well as my extension if ever you would have any questions, my email address, and we would also ask that you give us your position within the company. Of course, we would need the business name, the business address, as well as the company phone number. Our promise to the clients is that we only refer contractors that are licensed and insured. So we would of course ask you for your licensing information. So if you're in Quebec, that's where you would put down the RBQ license number. Or if you're an Ontarian electrician, that's where you would put down the ECRA license number. Of course, we would ask for your GST or HST number, as well as information on your liability insurer, so the insurer's name and the policy number. All you need to do afterwards is select a region that you cover, so in this case, Vancouver, and let us know about the services that you provide. So in my case, I'm an electrician, so I would only receive projects for electricians in Vancouver. Of course, we ask that you read the terms and conditions of the company and you simply submit. So once you filled out the registration form, you will automatically have access to your dashboard. That's direct communication with rentalquotes.com. Service list. So your services is where you would let us know the services offered by your company. So first thing is letting us know the project types that you do. So residential, commercial, or new constructions, or all three. Then simply let us know in the available menu here what services that you want to offer. Once you add them, they will be here in waiting for approval. And once they are approved by a rentalquotes.com agent, they will be approved and you will start receiving quote requests for that said service. Make sure that you save the project type and value. Territory list. So territory list brings me to a page where I can select the territories that I want to cover. So I selected Vancouver as the main region, but I can also cover other regions. So I would simply select the territory that I want to cover and add it to the menu here, so available territories. And I can set a minimum value for each territory or apply that value to all the territory. So how exactly do I accept a project from rentalquotes.com? So I would receive an email, like here, and then I would have the first three digits of the postal code to let me know approximately where the project is located. We would have a brief description of the project itself, as well as the price that it would cost for me to get the customer's information. So I can say yes if I am interested in the project, no if I'm not interested in the project, or I can click no but at half price yes, which would give me access to the project 7 days after it was activated in the case that the customer did not get the 3 or 4 quotes that we promised them. So in this case, I am interested, so I'll click yes. So clicking yes brings me to a confirmation page with the same information that was there in the previous page. But once I click yes, the fees attached to that project would automatically be applied to my credit with rentalquotes.com. So in this case, I still am interested, so I click yes. This time I have access to all the client's information, so full name, full address, as well as the phone number. You can see here that I have the full postal code. I have the description that was given to me when I accepted the project, but if there were any type of extra documents that the client wanted me to have, I would have access to them directly here. So all I need to do now is contact my customer or client and quote. If for any reason I did not have access to the email sent by Reno Quotes for the projects, I can always retrieve my projects in the unanswered projects tabs. So in this case, I've already accepted the project sent to me, so the list is empty. But if ever they send me another project, I would definitely have access to it here. So once I've accepted a project with RenoQuotes.com, my account balance is automatically updated. We can see here that it's at $11.50. But how do I pay for my account balance? All I need to do is go on Current Invoice. That shows me my current bill and lists all the projects that I've accepted. So the project ID, the address, and the associated price. I can choose to make a one-time credit card payment, or I can register my credit card so RenoQuotes can take weekly payments for the weeks where I accepted projects. Once you save a credit card, you can simply select here in the drop-down menu the saved credit card and pay now.